Drone P14 Max Pro is making waves as the best budget-friendly option for drone enthusiasts in 2024. With its 1080p gimbal camera, it's a game-changer for vloggers and content creators looking to capture stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank. First off, let's talk about the camera quality. The 1080p resolution delivers crisp, clear images and videos, ensuring that every moment you capture is vibrant and detailed. The gimbal stabilization feature further enhances the quality by providing smooth, professional-looking footage even in windy conditions or during fast-paced maneuvers. One of the standout features of the P14 Max Pro is its user-friendly design. It's incredibly easy to set up and fly, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. The intuitive controls and intelligent flight modes make capturing breathtaking shots a breeze, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Another aspect that sets the P14 Max Pro apart is its impressive battery life. With up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge, you can spend more time capturing stunning aerial shots and less time worrying about recharging. Plus, the drone's durable build ensures that it can withstand minor bumps and crashes, giving you peace of mind during flights. In terms of value for money, the P14 Max Pro truly shines. It offers all the features and capabilities of higher-end drones at a fraction of the price, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of aerial photography or upgrade their current setup without breaking the bank. Overall, the Drone P14 Max Pro is a top contender for the title of Best Cheapest Drone in 2024. With its impressive camera quality, user-friendly design, long battery life, and unbeatable value for money, it's a must-have for vloggers and drone enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing epic landscape shots or documenting your latest adventure, the P14 Max Pro delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank.